Hello everyone. I just wanted to make a quick video demonstrating the slime ability, pickup, and dropping and such. I've been working on this for too long and I'm quite frankly tired of it. But let's dive in, shall we? So, as you can see on the screen in front of you, I have all the abilities listed out nice and neat with primaries and secondaries. And as you can see on this side over here, there is the ability manager script, and you might notice the ability dropped script, but we'll get into that later. Okay. So currently, as you can see, I pick up a swipe, pressing. Wait, did I press F or E? I don't even remember. Yeah, F key, boom. And I can walk over the other ones. Doesn't matter, I'm not pressing F. And I keep the ability. Here's the little swipe. It looks so cool, doesn't it? And then now I want to switch to the slash, don't I? F, boom. Slash is picked up and the swipe is now dropped. As you can see, I'm using the swipe or slash. But now I want to try the punch. Press F on punch, boom. Slash is drop, punch is picked up. As you can see, he's punching. And then same with the shotgun wide, same with the shotgun. But here is where the problem begins, which I don't know if it really matters or not. Honestly, I kind of like it. And I don't mind if it actually stays inside the game, for now at least, because it might be beneficial to the game. But if I pick up swipe, as you can see, shotgun drops. And I'm using the swipe per usual, you know. But if I pick up the slash, the swipe will not drop. It's probably because, or no, it's because it is a clone, which as you can see down here in the bottom, clone. I'm guessing the name is different technically, so it won't drop from this, from the script, which is probably not easy, not hard to change. Thinking about it now, but just let me know if I should do that or not, if it's important, if we should keep it like that for now. I don't know. But yeah, there's the primaries, and then here's where it gets a little tricky. So I'm picking up the push, as you can see up here on the right side, dividing slash. Oh, wait, not like that. The slime push. I'm pressing the right mouse button, and now I'm picking up the push pulse, pressing Q, and the push pulse runs, of course. But now I'm going to pick up the orbit. As you see, orbit is now on the element 1, and push pulse is now in element 0. As you can see, push pulse, orbit, pressing the Q button, and then so on and so forth. So grenade, boom, now it's the orbit is the primary, but it does not work. I do not know why, but it does not work. Wall, orbit's dropped, boom, wall, grenade does not work. And then whip. Whip works. And the slime wall does not work. I wonder if it's because it's not being activated. We will find out here soon. But I think it's the same problem. Like if I pick up this, so the slime push is now a clone, and it gets dropped. It doesn't drop at all. So yeah, that's something to keep in mind. Also, the slime wall just worked. Oh, because down here, if you can see down here, coroutine cannot be started because the game object slime ball is inactive. Don't know how to fix that. That happens to all like the secondaries that have coroutines. So push pulse, grenade maybe. No, I don't think grenade does. I don't know. That happens to all of them. I don't know how to fix that. So someone will have to do that for me. The icing down here, all the prefabs, jumping into the code side, just to kind of walk through that. Here's the pickup. I think it's pretty similar. This part is. I think all of it's the same, honestly. It's like looking at it now, except I changed it to F. And then here, the swap function, which I did add some stuff. Like I added this right here, so I can reference the ability drop script and the player, so I can get the location of the player. And I also called it this stuff in the start, and then swap. It's quite confusing. But I think I understand how it works sort of now, like actually having to go through it. I don't think I need this. Real quick, I'm going to look through this and see if I have it right. That should work. All right, well, anyways, so this basically just checks. So when it first gets to secondary, it goes straight down here. If it's null, which it would be when you first start, it does all this stuff, all the fun stuff with this. And then the second one initializes the ability. And then here's where it gets a little tricky. If they're both already full, then it'll set the first ability to false. I guess technically the 0th ability. And then it goes to the ability drop ability script, which I'll go into after. And then it makes the first spot in secondary equal to the second spot, so it switches it. And then it sets I think that's actually why. Hold on. It never initializes this primary 0. Okay, hold on. Very important hot fix right here. That should have been obvious. I should have known to do that. But yeah, so it swaps it and then initializes it, and it works good. As you saw in my little test. And then here's the drop. So basically, this connects the name of the attack with the prefab. And as you saw in the Unity side of things, all these down here, it's just like a list of all the prefabs. So it has stuff to work with. And yeah, it will instantiate it at the player's location, which that's what it grabs from this right here, the drop position, and the ability name. And that's what it uses to find which prefab to use. I think it makes sense. I'm not sure how to fix the coroutine thing, so I just think that's on you, man, because I'm tired of this stuff. And while I still have you, oh, you just couldn't see that, could you? Oopsies, I had my thing turned off. Here is the ability drop once again. Dictionary, all that stuff. And then here is the instantiate, what gets passed in, so the player's position, and uses that to instantiate it. And it finds what prefab to drop using the prefab name. All the obvious stuff. Sorry for not having the correct tab on. So yeah, I'm going to run this and see if it works. So boom, 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 orbits dropped, and push pulse works. Now I'm going to pick up the wall, and grenade works. But now you see what I'm talking about. Now it's the coroutine's messed up, so it doesn't work, as you can see down here. But now slime wall works. Yeah, okay, so I fixed that problem. Easy. The only thing now that does not work are the coroutines. So if you know how to do that, please help. That's all I have. So thank you for watching. And please subscribe. Please.